12 things that tell men you're a woman with class and hard to replace. The way you present and behave in front of others reveals your personality and upbringing. Though a woman may be attractive, educated, and neat, if she does not know how to conduct herself properly, then all those other qualities she possesses might go in vain. Elegant and well-mannered women constantly exhibit themselves in a unique way, attracting men's love, respect, and admiration. Here are 12 traits possessed by women with class. So, if you resemble many of these characteristics, you are undoubtedly elegant. Number 1. A classy woman admires a man for being masculine. Men will be men, thankfully. Men are just downright when you recognize that our differences are what makes your relationship with a man unpredictable and intriguing. A masculine man has his own preferences and options, and he will approach situations differently than you. For example, if he declines your best friend's birthday party invitation, show him that you respect him rather than convince him that all of the other men will be there. When a woman tries to persuade a guy to do something he doesn't want to do, he loses interest in her. Let him make his own decision, and don't try to make it up. Number 2. A classy woman does not strive to win an argument. A woman who has class does not engage in fights or debates. When we sit with a group of people, we naturally start the conversation by discussing politics, current events, business, and a variety of other topics. Some individuals try to win things by saying things loudly, but an elegant woman understands that everyone has different thoughts, ideas, and experiences, therefore she strives to accept their ideas. Number 3. A classy woman doesn't gossip about other people. Well, as my father used to say, there are 3 types of people. First-class people who always discuss new creations, ideas, and information. Second-class people who always discuss events and news. And third-class people who talk about other people. People of class never judge or gossip about others. Refusing to indulge in gossip or spread rumors is a certain method of maintaining your classiness. It involves sticking to the high road, even when others around you might not. By avoiding damaging conversation, you discreetly display the degree of respect and integrity that is at the core of being a classy woman. Number 4. A classy woman carefully chooses her words. Consider this. What embodies true class, a person who dominates talks, constantly expressing every fleeting idea without consideration for others, or someone who actively listens, fosters discussions, and thinks carefully before voicing their opinions to guarantee authenticity. Clearly, classy women frequently fall into the latter category. They exhibit a high level of self-awareness, taking the time to think about before speaking. This commitment to genuine communication distinguishes them, emphasizing the importance of fostering dialogue over the urge to incessantly express oneself. Number 5. A classy woman brings positive experiences. She realizes that having a foundation of fun, loving, and pleasant experiences leads to a stronger emotional connection with a man. These encounters will make him want to return for more. When you're with a man, he wants you to bring him joy rather than misery. So rather than stressing about the past or the future, focus on appreciating the present moment. John Gottman, a relationship expert with over 40 years of experience, claims that the ideal ratio is 5-to-1. If there's one negative encounter, which there nearly always is, there must be 5 positive interactions to balance out the bad energy. They help your relationship grow and evolve. Number 6. A classy woman always acts and dresses appropriately. The first must-have attribute of a classy woman in modern society is that she adheres to a set of values and principles. She has a set of basic values and beliefs that guide her life, actions, and decision-making. These guiding principles define who she is. It's her identity and is driven consciously or subconsciously. She ensures that all of her actions and decisions, both internally and externally, are in line with her principles and ideals. And she does not let any external factors, such as social media or other individuals, sway her from her principles. Number 7. A classy woman empowers other women. A classy woman does not see competition among other women. They don't claim to be not like the other woman because they place a high value on their femininity, viewing it as a strength rather than a weakness. For me, There's nothing more wonderful and powerful than seeing a woman do her best to help and educate others. I always appreciate classy women who strive to be well-wishers and mentors to people. They understand their own worth, thus they always welcome people who want to be like them. But at the same time, it's also important for classy women to know their boundaries. They should recognize that everyone defines womanhood differently, thus they should not constantly demand or compel others to learn from them. They understand when to ignore rudeness and give room to other women who just want to be better. 8. A classy woman is emotionally intelligent. Empathy is one of the key personality attributes of a classy woman, most likely due to an array of life experiences that have polished her capacity to navigate challenging situations and connect with people from all backgrounds. She uses a diverse range of tools, including her numerous interests, strengths, and even shortcomings, to keep composure in various situations. This comprehensive approach enables her to navigate heated situations with ease, maintaining a calm attitude while being grounded in her principles. Unlike individuals who may resort to personal attacks, she stays loyal to her values and approaches situations calmly and sensibly. Number 9. A classy woman is kind and compassionate. We all have negative thoughts and terrible days from time to time, which makes it easy to lash out, tear others down, and just be rude. Kindness is a lot of work, but a classy woman understands that kindness and class go hand in hand. She knows when to take the high road and impart positivity to others around her, even if some of them may not deserve it. A classy woman is also naturally kind and empathetic. Knowing and understanding the pain in others is one thing. Taking action to help them is another. Even if you're not well equipped to handle their circumstance, it feels nice to go above and beyond to help someone and be a pillar of support to whoever needs you. Number 10. A classy woman has dignity and integrity. True integrity is difficult to find these days. Most of the time, people's behaviors do not match what they say. Their conduct is frequently influenced by others around them, as well as what they believe would give them social clout. However, for a classy woman, living with honesty and dignity comes naturally. She keeps herself to a high standard and remains true to her beliefs, regardless of what others say or think. With everyone constantly judging everyone else on social media, it's tempting to get carried away and say anything you believe would make other people happy. But from time to time, you'll see a classy, distinguished woman stand up for her values because she's not doing it for clout. That's something completely beneath her. Classy women are not usually the most popular, but their desire for decency and integrity is what distinguishes them. Number 11. A classy woman knows how and when to listen. Talking over others appears to be a bad habit in most individuals, but not in classy women. Classy women are open-minded and have the heart to listen to others before speaking up. Engaging in real conversations entails more than simply sitting silently, waiting for them to finish, and then giving your opinion without first analyzing the situation. When someone opens up to a classy woman about their issues, she always takes the time to analyze all factors and better comprehend the situation before voicing her thoughts. And number 12, their etiquette is on point. Classy ladies are known for their good manners and are pleasant to be around. They remember to say please and thank you. Holding the door open for the person behind them is simply second nature. Good politeness isn't a thing of the past, as some may believe. It's also totally unrelated to whether you attend a luxurious boarding school or a small state-run institution. Classy women understand that loving and respecting others, having dignity for oneself, and thinking how they show themselves to others may go a long way. All of these are indicators of a classy woman. Well, there you have it. 12 things that tell men you're a woman with class. Hope the video was useful, and thanks for watching.